So what's good, guys? What's going on, everybody? Salute. Appreciate everybody for pulling up for today's video, guys. I'm a reseller now officially. Well, not really, but I've been watching a little Cam's Kicks. So saw in one of his episodes that they were selling mystery boxes, so I was bored that day and went ahead and pulled the trigger. This was back in like December. So he offered different levels of mystery boxes. So they range from like 1,000. He had like a 2K, 5K, and they went up to like a $10,000 mystery box. So I asked you guys on IG, which mystery box should I buy from Cam's Kicks? So you guys picked the most expensive box. You guys picked the $10,000 mystery box. So guess which box I went ahead and bought? I bought the cheapest one, y'all. So this box was valued at $1,080 plus $10 shipping, came out to be $1,090. So according to their testimony, you are supposed to be able to actually make a little bit of profit on these mystery boxes. So I've watched guys like Harrison Neville, Untied Hawaii, people like that. Usually you'll get like a mix of new, used sneakers, some with a box, some without a box. But the overall purpose of these mystery boxes is that you are supposed to be able to make some sort of profit on this box. So let's go ahead and see what we got here, guys. I did mention to you guys on the podcast in the chat that I was gonna be doing a Cam's Kicks unboxing, and you guys were mentioning kind of negative responses, saying things like scams bricks, and if you want Untied Hawaii, you might get scammed. So it made me a little nervous.
Let's see what happens.
I'll tell you what's gonna happen, nothing.
So what I had to go ahead and do, guys, is secure a sponsor. So huge shout out to the sponsor for today's video, the Attic Bot. So let me explain the best way to cop hype releases for retail on your phone. Attic is the most reliable iOS bot, supporting over 85 sites, including Adidas, Supreme, Kith, Bape, Undefeated, and more. Attic is super easy to set up. Creating a task takes less than 30 seconds, and they've been having a lot of success on most recent drops for all of their users. It's a good opportunity for anyone looking to make a little extra money on the side reselling, or for people that are looking to just cop for retail. So Attic, when it does restock, it usually sells out instantly. So go ahead and check the link in the description. Sign up for attic.io to be notified as soon as the Attic Bot comes back in stock. All right, thank you guys. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Real curious to see what we got. I did take a little sneak peek here at the box. So this came from Pennsylvania. Salute to Cam's Kicks. Let's go ahead and see what my guy has to offer. Now, y'all already know I'm more of a Yeezy head. More familiar with some of the older OG Jordans. Kind of haven't been hip to a lot of the most recent releases and newer colorways. So let's see what we got, but hopefully we're able to make a little profit on this box. So let's go ahead and check it out, what it looks like, just off the first glance, guys, so y'all already see inside the box. Got some Jordan boxes going on right here. Got something interesting at the bottom there, and then a loose pair of Yeezy 700 Inertias here, guys. So this is the V1, the 700s, guys. They do retail, these joints retail at $300. This is a, it looks almost DS, but we do have a used pair of 700 V1 Inertias. So pretty decent release. I remember when these dropped a couple years back. If I'm not mistaken, this was like the third colorway for the 700 V1. So we should be able to sell these, guys. So I'll go ahead and do my market research based off of, we'll check out eBay prices, we'll check out StockX, and then of course GOAT is also great for research purposes because they also allow you guys to sell used sneakers. So let's get into the first box, guys. So we have a Jordan 12 box. Boom. So these are the Jordan 12 wool, size 9.5. Never heard of these. Suggested retail price is $200. So okay. So actually the condition on these is very good. I remember, actually it's a funny story, is that the Jordan 12 was actually my first pair of Jordans. I remember getting those back in the day, the OG joints back in '97, yeah. So when I was a jit in Definitely love those shoes, wore the hell out of them. I remember they had the leather upper. This one has the wool, obviously, but these joints right here are pretty ugly, but I guess if you're into this model, these are pretty wearable. So interesting to see how much these are valued. Again, the suggested retail price is $200 US. So first pair, so let's go ahead and get into the next one. We got a Jordan 1 box. So y'all already know Jordan 1s are always safe to hold just because they continue to always rise in values. And just the whole Jordan brand in general, the resale prices have seemed to go up ever since the Last Dance documentary kind of brought life back to the whole Jordan wave. So we have a size 13. It looks like the price tag is a little ripped or whatever. So we got the pine green joints right here. So with the red laces. If I'm not mistaken, these joints come with like a pair of black or white laces, but we got the red joints on here. In terms of the condition, these joints right here actually look like they might have been worn like one time, yo. Oh, so I see we got the replacement, but it's just another pair of red. So seems like these might be missing the OG laces, but again, it's a pair of Jordan 1s. Could get these off pretty easy. So this is a solid sneaker, yo. Not feeling the Christmas vibes though with the red laces. I don't know. Let me know what y'all think though. So a pair of Jordan 1s, decent. All right, so let's see what we got next. Got a Jordan 10 box. So if I'm not mistaken, this is like the box that they used on some of the more recent releases. I remember getting a pair of 10s back in the day, not coming with this box. So Jordan Retro 10 SB size 10, suggested retail $190. Yo, what are these, bro? So I guess, oh, okay, yeah, I remember these. So these are the Jordan 10. These joints right here, if I'm not mistaken, are a special edition that was made for the Super Bowl when that happened in Miami, probably like a couple years back. So this pair right here is DS. All right, so that's a good thing. We got a DS pair. Now, if I had to guess, I would say that these joints right here are probably brick. So again, the suggested retail is $190. Curious to see what the value is if they're actually hitting at retail, because people always say Yeezys are there, but remember, there are so many Jordan silhouettes that come out that go for under retail. So so we got a Jordan 11. I remember this box. This is when I used to still wear Jordans. I remember they had these boxes with the little thumbprint. I don't know, let me know if they still use that box. So Jordan 11 Retro Low Black Infrared size 8, suggested retail $150. So I remember I did have a pair of Jordan 11s back in the day, but it wasn't this pair. Okay, so another DS pair. That's good because DS pairs are easy to move, so that's a good sign. So yeah, wasn't feeling these. I remember when these joints dropped back in the day. Never have been a fan of Jordans that have that infrared like pinkish color. Never been a fan of that really. These joints have the speckle. I feel like another touch that's just kind of ugly on this shoe. Jordan 11 lows in general are just pretty ugly. Let me know if you guys rock with low top Jordans. I know a lot of the OG Jordan heads never rock with the lows, but these joints are, I really have nothing positive to say about these. I remember back in the day though, I did have the pair. I feel like it was the reverse version of this, like the patent leather was white. It still did have the black upper. Those joints I remember did go hard, but we got a DS pair. Now, being that this is an older release, I feel like this should have some good resale value. So these joints came back in 2014. So these, either these or the pine green joints, surprisingly may hold the best, because this last package right here, I have never seen, salute to my boy Kansas, never seen this before right here. So of course that's the Penny logo. So from time to time, Nike, they drop like special editions and stuff like that. So this is interesting. Size 10.5. Suggested retail $500. Penny Pack QS. So I don't know nothing about this pack, but let's check it out, y'all. Okay, so damn, only one shoe though. So that's just affect the value significantly, being as that you have only one. So I guess on this side you got the Foamposite 1. I'm not too hip on foam runners. I know that's more of like a DMV type thing. I'm guessing that these must be the OG joints, but I could be wrong. I think the OG joints were just all solid blue, but on the other side, I guess they came with the Air Penny 6. So we have one pair in this Foamposite Penny pack, and these joints probably don't go for much. I know Foamposites are like indestructible, like these are known for being like tanks, so the condition is great, but I feel like that's how all foam runners are gonna come. And then on the bottom, we got some visible wear, of course. So I'm not expecting much value on these unless these are just like something real special. So let me know in the comments. I'm guessing these are joints that are worth like $100 or something max. So I don't know, guys. Scams kick. So did we get some heat here, yo? I'm gonna go ahead, like I mentioned, and check out the competitive value for all of these on the market. We're gonna tally it up, see if I got my value, see if we made a profit. Again, I paid a total of $10.90, including shipping, from your guy Cam Kick. So let's go ahead and see how we did. All right, guys, so after doing my research, checking the value of these sneakers, the competitive value currently on the sneaker market, guys, remember, we checked out GOAT, we checked out eBay and StockX, and we determined the prices based after seller's fees. And I actually tallied up this box to be about at $11.10. So leaving with about $20 profit, guys. Now, when I tell y'all this, remember, take it with a grain of salt, because I'm giving you guys this price based off of if I was to sell these on these popular sites, based off of after your seller fees and everything. If you really take your time and sell these joints at top value individually, over time, I feel like you could make substantially bigger profit. But for someone like me that's just looking to quick flip, I would say there's not much value in this mystery box, but it's definitely not a scam. So salute the Cam Kicks. I definitely rock with the channel, and probably won't be purchasing one of these mystery boxes again, but it was a fun little experiment just to see how things went. So let me know what y'all think about the mystery box, guys. Do you feel like I got a good value out of it, or do you feel like wasn't too great in value? Just let me know your honest opinion. If you guys have ever purchased anything from Cam's Kicks, drop some comments down below, y'all. So appreciate everybody for watching today's video, guys. I'm J.A. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'm out, y'all.